Today I have installed the Batman Arkham Asylum. When I tried to launch the game, I got this error: Unhandled Exception has acquired in our application. Click continue and it doesn't shows the play option or anything else in here. To fix this, check my video description for this NVIDIA PhysX system software. Download now. Select the download now again and select the folder icon. Double click on the software and select yes option. Select agree and continue. Select close after install done. And now you can start the game. Select the play option. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.